Oh, there we go. Oh, we got me around that wire. Oh no. It's a good one too. There we go, dude. That's a big one. He got me around that wire. Got him out though. Let's go. Another healthy one on the buzz bait, baby. Sucker, I almost lost him. He got me around that freaking wire. Let's go, baby. These are the ones we're talking about. You catch 5 of those on this lake, it's looking pretty good. I've already caught 2 decent ones. Bunch of healthy fish today, but we are catching some more quality fish too.